Security update is one of the important tools that Android device have. The purpose of having a security update on your Android device is to enhance its security and fixes any vulnerabilities on your smartphone operating system. In this tutorial, I will show to you how to check available security update on your Realme C12. Here's how. From the home screen, open the app drawer. Look for settings and tap on it. Inside settings, scroll down and tap security. Tap security update. Now, tap check for update. If there's available update, tap on it and follow the instructions to complete the process. That's it. I hope this simple tutorial helps. Please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell for more videos. Thanks for watching.